get down to the dealer, and this is what they have for me. It's not what I ordered. What's good, man? It's another day, another dollar made, just getting off work. Feels good to be a working person. Hate that I'm working during this corona time, but I'm an essential worker. Anyway, I'm way down here to a Dodge dealer over here by my house, by my job. You know, we got a part that came in. I'm gonna pick that up. How y'all doing out there, though, is what I really want to know. How y'all handling with this coronavirus? You know, hope you guys are washing your hands like you're supposed to. No shaking, no dapping. Shit, even the elbow bumping is a little doing too much. You know, I just keep it as two stoves and keep it moving. I mean, it's dead out here right now, y'all. I mean, if you can see it, I'm driving by UC Berkeley right now, and it's like nothing. Normally, be students everywhere, and you don't see anything, man. I mean, it's dead, you know. But yeah, man, you gotta be safe out here, man. So I'm gonna get back at y'all when I get down here. On that note, see you in a few. So, get down to the dealer, and this is what they have for me. It's not what I ordered, but it goes along with what I ordered. It's part number right there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get out here, man, and start taking care of these strut caps. Gonna sand them down, then paint them, or prime them, then paint them while I'm waiting on my strut brace. You know, it's happened when you order the wrong thing, rushing. Probably did a half-ass sleep, working them long shifts to do that for you. But anyway, man, let me get into this video, man. Stop running my mouth. So when you're bored and you're waiting on your strut brace to come through in the mail and you accidentally ordered the strut caps, it's all right. Kill time. Should be here in a couple days. I have the second video for that one, but that was just a quick DIY video that being made. So that being said, man, I'm just gonna get up out of here, man. Put some comments down there, press that like button, share, and if you're new to the station, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. On that, peace, man.